to the Homeowners Cookbook. My wife and I have been working to renovate our 1970s raised ranch since about the spring of 2019. We've put a brand new kitchen in, brand new living space, updated our master bedroom, and we're putting a brand new bathroom in as well. We have more projects planned for the downstairs of the house, the outside, and I've thought to myself it would be nice if I could share what I've learned while going through these renovations. We've done about 90% ourselves. And so the goal of this channel is to share what I've learned with you guys. And some of it's already done. As you can tell, the kitchen behind me is done. But I want to take the chance while it's fresh on my mind to walk you through different projects that we've done and give you some tips, give you some pointers so that if you go to do the same project, maybe you can avoid making some of the mistakes we've made. So if you're a homeowner or thinking of becoming a homeowner, subscribe to this channel, throw some comments below, let's chat, and look for some videos real soon as I talk about some of the renovations we've done.